The Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function dir. Hi there, Python learners. In this video, we're going to explore the dir function, a built-in tool that can help you better understand your Python objects and their attributes. Whether you're debugging, exploring libraries, or just curious about what an object can do, the dir function is your friend. Let's get started. First up, what is the dir function? The dir function is a built-in Python function that returns a list of valid attributes and methods of an object. If no object is passed, it returns the names in the current scope. Here's the syntax. The object parameter is optional. If you don't provide it, dir will return the current scope's attributes. So what's the purpose of the dir function? It's primarily used to inspect the attributes and methods of an object, explore the current scope or namespace, and debug or learn about unfamiliar objects or libraries. Here are some key concepts. The list returned by dir function includes methods, attributes, and special methods, like init. It doesn't always show private attributes, but it's a great way to explore public ones. You'd use dir when you want to explore the functionality of a Python object. You need to debug or inspect variables in the current scope, or you're working with third-party libraries and want to discover their available methods or attributes. Let's start with the simplest use case, calling the dir function without any arguments. This shows you the current scope. Here, the dir function lists all the names defined in the current scope, including your variables like x and y. Now let's inspect a specific object, for instance, a string object. This reveals all the methods and attributes associated with the string object, including common methods like capitalize and center. Another use case is exploring modules. Let's see what's available in the math module. With the dir function, you can quickly discover all the functions provided by the math module, such as square root and tan. You can also use the dir function to inspect custom objects and classes. For example, here the dir function reveals the attributes value and greet that are specific to the example class. A few things to keep in mind. The dir function is a great tool for exploration, but doesn't show private attributes directly, like attribute. The output might vary depending on the type of the object you inspect. For deeper exploration, combine the directory with functions like help for documentation. And that's the directory function. To recap, it helps you inspect objects, modules, and the current scope. It's great for debugging, exploring libraries, and learning more about Python objects. And you can combine it with tools like help to supercharge your Python exploration. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!